Vous êtes prêts?
Allez,
2, 3. C'est bon.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, mec?
They told me no, but I told them yes. And I used to feel all alone, so depressed. But I fought back, now I smile again. If I ever fail, I'ma just try again. I felt pain that I thought I'd never end, but I prayed long and I played my cards. And the stars aligned, cause I worked hard. Then God would've threw me a curveball. I still swung, hit a home run. I look fear in the face, I don't run. I seen that, but I'm still blessed. I come from a world of no love. I'm hustling off of my family. Boy, I never had nothing handed me. People done shit to me you can't believe. Back in high school, bitches would laugh at me. Now they're hitting me up, saying what's up. Do you remember me? I'm tryna fuck. Nah, I don't fuck with you. With the struggle hard, gotta hustle harder. Put me in the game, I'm the fucking starter. I'm the man in my city like Peter Parker. My only role model is my mama and father. I'ma pay their bills, stack that bread. Some same shit going on in my head. Used to think that I'd be better out there. Then I realized every day is a blessing.
Ouais.
Never fail till you stop trying. Soon I'ma be in top 5. Sometimes I wish I could stop time. Tell me God why the Pac died. No, I had to die young to become a legend. Cause I don't really wanna fucking die right now. Every single day in my life I'm stressing. Never working hard as my time right now. I'm flat first and I shed tears. I'll be a household name by next year. I ain't give a shit when I met fear. I'm better turn it up into next year. I do things that I shouldn't. I did what I said I couldn't. I'm still with the same team that I came up with. Not like true gooding. God would never put you in a situation that you can't do it. I know when I speak y'all feel it. My cup's low, can you feel it? I'm pouring up for my loved ones and my dead friends that ain't make it. When life get hard and it get rough and you feel like you can't take it, search deep down inside, find the last bit of hope. This life one hell of a ride. I'm hanging on by a rope. Then God sent me a sign. Said carry on with your day. Just stop stressing and tripping. Take a breath, it's gonna be okay. Rest.
Excuse-moi pour le deuxième coup. Excuse-moi, je t'ai mis 2 coups.
Le résultat de la journée,
S'il vous plaît.
les civils, 360 000 $, les US, 420 000 $. Ça s'est joué à pas grand chose quand même. Voilà.